So this is how you can lock Google Forms. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Google Forms. Today you will learn how to lock your forms or your survey or questions. So it's very simple actually. Just go ahead and open up your browser, any browser, and then open up a new tab. Now what you're gonna want to search up is docs.google.com/forms. Once again, docs.google.com/forms. So once you type that out, you're going to want to tap on enter, and then it will send you to the forms tab. This is where you can see all the forms you made, or this is where you can start a new form. So just simply open up the form that you want to edit, the one that you want to lock, I mean. So just open that up, and here you can see that we can edit it. We can even see the responses and we can add new questions. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and tap on responses. Now it may seem like you're going to want to go to settings, but you can actually just go ahead and go to responses. And as you can see, there's this text that says accepting responses. So what you're going to want to do is simply tap on that, and now it's not accepting responses. And this is what they're gonna see. This is the message for respondents. This form is no longer accepting responses. I'm pretty sure you can edit it, like saying sorry, and yeah. And you can even view it by tapping on this eye, and then it's going to say sorry. So that is how you can lock your Google Forms and even have a sorry message for being locked. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.